Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. This is Muhammad Ishaq, and today I'll show how to apply multiple materials in Solidworks softwares, and also I'll show how to make a well structure members by using the Weldment features. So we are going to start. I'm going to the file and taking a new file. Part is selected, then OK. And IPS is selected. Now I'm going to the insert and 3D sketch is selected. Okay, done. Then I'm taking the line from the sketch from the initial point, click and going here, but not showing the right line. So I'm pressing the tab command from the keyboards. Then the direction will be changed. Done. Then here also I have to press the tab command. Now it's okay. Then I'm going here and finally I'm heading to this point. I'm going to click select. After that, I'm taking the line command again and I'm sketching from this point. Here the downwards I'm taking the line, but here not showing the right sign. So press from the tab keyboard. Again I'm going to click select, go to the line, click downwards, I'm going to click select, again taking the line and the draw from this point. Okay, I'm going to click select. Then I'm going to the smart dimension and select the smart dimension. From the dimension, this one should be 30 inch. The every legs of a table and this structure should be the 30 inch. Okay, this one will be 30 inch. This one is also 30 inch. And final, this one is also 30 inch. And I am to take this one is 36 inch in the length of the table. Okay, and this one is also 36 inch pointed. So I'm taking the small dimension again, and this one is also 36 inch, and this one is will be 18 inch. I mean the width of the table 18 inch, and if I take this one, it will be default. I think okay, default, then close it. I will take it. Now I'm taking the line again and add this point. Done. Again taking the line from here, click here and going here, but not showing the pencil. Tap from the keyboards and adding to this point, and again taking the line and going here, not showing, and tab is selected, add to this point. Now again click here and add to this point. Right button is click, select. Now done. You are watching the length of this structure is 36, width is 18 inch, and the leg of this 4 is the 3rd inch. You have seen. If I want to sketch another line from here to here, okay, done. Then right button is click, okay, then exit it. I'm going to the insert and Weldment structure remember, then okay. Then I'm going here, the unit is selected, is the inch, and I'm taking the type of the angle iron, and this one will be the 2 by 2 inch, and the thickness will be 0.125. Now selecting this one first. Okay, after that taking this one, and this one. But here the angle is downwards, so I'm taking this one is the upwards, and this will be this way. Now C, A, B are fitted here. When I will be select this one, then C, or I will just select this one. What will happen? Again, C, C, and C. Now I will take this way. Now I am going here and mirror is selected, and I am taking the vertical way, and the angle will be 180 degree. Then see, it will be upwards. It will be upwards. Okay, done. Then again see, here the hole is created angle. Then I can make easily the fiber in this portion. Now I'm going to the insert again and Weldment selected structure view. Okay, see, and I want to change this type. I'm taking this one is the square tube, and the size will be 2 by 2 inch and the thickness will be 0.25. Selecting this one, but its location is changed, so I want to take it inside of this fibers view in the upwards direction. Now this one is outside, so when I click here, it will be going to the inside. Now it's okay. Okay, see, it's fitted inside of this fiber. After it, I'm going to the inside again and Weldment structural members. Select this one. In similar way, I have drawn the previous one. I want to take this again. Now click. So I'm going to the location, locate profile, and click this point. Now it will be going to the inside. Again, okay. After that, I'm going to insert, going to the Weldments and structural member. Select this legs. Then similarly going to the locate profiles, and I'm locating this point, going to the inside. Okay, done. And final leg of this structure here, done. Going here and look at this one. What is showing? Where is take here inside? Done. All are inside it. Yes. Now I want to take this portion in these structures. So going to the Weldments again in similar way. I don't want to span it. Already you I think you have got it. So this one is also outside. Now I want to take this inside. Now going to the topic profile here. Now I want to take this inside of this. Where this is the outside. Now I am taking this corner, corner to corner. Done. See, see. Similar way. This one I will take. Going here. Weldments, structural members. Click here. Okay. Going to the downwards. Locating the profiles. Now click this corner. Okay. See. Okay, done. Similar way. Going to the inserts. Weldments, structural members, and this way. And I'm going here. I'm going to the locate profiles. Click portions. Okay, done. And the last of these members going to the here and the Weldments structural members. Click here. Now see, going to the downwards, look at profile, then I'm clicking here. Then I have to trim it. Here you are watching in this way, going to the insert, Weldments, trim extent, your bodies to the trim and trimming body. Now trim it, right? Click, another click. Now see, it will be trimmed. So done. Only show this part. Trim it, the uh, outer side. Now also I'm going here and Weldments. Now trim here, another click is here. Now done. Then similarly, oh, going here and going here, trim, select this part. No, another one. Another part is here. So going here and Weldments, trim extend, click here, another click is here. Okay. But they all have another structure. So I'm going to the insert, going to the Weldment structures. I'm taking this one. So what will happen? I have to see look at profile. Mm, I have to annotate this part. Now it's fixed. Done. I also go and outside. Now I have to trim. Going to the Weldments, trim here, here. Done. It's trimmed by here. So I have to change another things. Going here. Fine. I think I have to close it. Now see. Mm, and select this one. See what will happen. See, it will distort. Okay. I'm gonna delete another way. Another way. Now this one is. I think it will be better. Let's see. Have you got it, everybody? Uh, how to perform the structure? Okay. Then I want to select the materials. Going here and edit materials. Okay, I want to take the stainless steel and ferrite, apply it, across it, going here and change the materials. And I'm going here, I'm tracking this black color. Click here, change, black is better, done. Now I want to make a table. You are going to the extruded box, click on the surface, and I'm going to the corner rectangle. Corner rectangle is taking, sketching a corner rectangle, done, exit it. Now I want to upwards, it will be 2 inch. I want to take it 1.8 inch. 1.8 inch I have taken. Okay, done. See, see. Then I want to change this materials. This was the multiple materials, so I have to go here the card. Then we will see again. Select this one. Going to the upwards. cards list. Go in here and click this card list, then this one. Select and right button. Then materials, edit materials. Again, you can see card, boss extruded, right button is click, materials, edit materials. Now I want to take this one is wood. So what is taken? Apply. See, I can change this color. Okay, this one. This one is the color, but I want to select this one and go in here. So edit to be this one, but I don't want it. Cross it. Now see. Now here line is showing a structural line, so I'm going here and select this one in the order. Now see the my structures view, going here, select this one. Now see, going here. Okay, I think everybody got it how to apply multiple materials in Solidworks softwares, and also apply the Weldment features in Solidworks, and also how to structure a member is used in Solidworks software. I think you have got it how to sketch it. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment, and share. The Redesign Engineering is always with you.